दोस्तों वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने जा रही हूँ आपके साथ एक वाटर ब्रश पेन से की हुई एक ब्यूटीफुल सी ड्राइंग। सो डू वॉच माय चैनल एंड डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड प्लीज डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। Today I am painting a vibrant floral composition using water brush pens. These flowers were a joy to create, full of colors, flow and gentle blending. I'll take you through the whole process from sketching to layering and blending. So grab your pens and some water and let's dive into a peaceful painting session together. I always start with a light sketch pencil. Here I loosely drew the flower shapes and nothing too detailed, and just an idea of where the petals and leaves will go. I kept the central flower big and bold. It's the main focus, and added smaller blooms and buds around it to balance the composition. You can erase and adjust as and when needed, and remember, this is just your guide. The colors will bring it into the life. Once the sketch was ready, I began with the petals. Using a magenta pink water brush pen, I filled in the petal shapes with soft strokes. I layered different tones, light pink, a bit of purple and touches of red, blending where needed with clean water. Let the colors move freely, allowing the water to carry pigment and form soft textures. After the base get dried a little, I went in with the deeper shades. Darker purple and reds helped me shape the petals and especially around the edges and creases. To add dimension, I blended outward from darker areas into the lighter ones with the brush pen and a bit of water. This step really makes the flowers pop. For the flowers centers, I used a golden yellow pen and dabbed the small dots to mimic the pollen. Then I added hints of brown orange to make it richer. With a fine tip, I created tiny lines and radiating outward, giving the center more life and texture. These details may be small, but they drew the viewer's eye. Moving on to the leaves, I started with a mix of turquoise green and teal color. Each leaf got a soft wash of colors, leaving some areas lighter for highlights. Then I added shadows with a deeper green. The brush pen made blending smooth. You just need a light touch and a little water. The side buds and the smaller blooms add variety and flower to the piece. I used purple and pink shades here with less detail than the central flower. These help balance the composition without overpowering the main elements. Soft blending is the key. Keep it loose and expressive. Once everything dried, I deepened a few shadows under the petals behind leaves using purple and green. This added more contrast and depth. I also used the pen tip to draw gentle textured lines on the petals and leaves. You can see how it brings out the form without being harsh. I kept the background simple and just a faint wash of soft blue and green in some corners, and not too much, just enough to unify the painting and fill the space. If you like, you can leave it for a cleaner look. Adding a light background with a water brush pens gives a dreamy effect. And that's the finished floral piece. Painting with water brush pens is such a peaceful process. They offer precision and flow, and perfect for florals like this. I hope you enjoyed the painting with me, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe for more watercolor and sketching.